Hey everyone, Coach Adam here. Today, we're going to be working on our catching. So, there's a lot of positions on offense. You have your running backs, fullbacks, tight ends, and wide receivers. There's something that they all have in common that they have to be able to do on the field a lot, and that's catch the ball. We'll learn the basics of catching the football first. We're back at the Red Key Martinez shoreline, but this time, we're going to be practicing our catching. Now, you may wonder why. Why is it important to catch the ball? Well, that's how you get your yards in the game. If the quarterback throws the ball and you don't catch it, it's an incomplete pass and the play is over. You have to be able to catch the ball to move the ball forward. So, let's get to our practice. So, there's different ways you can catch the ball. Some people, the most fundamental way, they catch it kind of like a diamond. They let the ball just come straight to their hands and close their hands right around it. And other people, they need to use their bodies a little more. When somebody throws the ball, they catch it and they use their body kind of to shield it and catch it inside. Either way works. Just work on practicing the catch that's best for you. So, the number one thing you want to do when catching the ball is to keep your eyes on the ball and also get your body in front of it. Because sometimes you may need to catch the ball using your body instead of your hands, all depending on which situation you're in on the field. Hey everyone, Coach Adam here. Hopefully today you take from your video, regardless of what kind of catch you try to make, a one-handed, a dive, that you always keep your eyes on the ball the whole time. That will make the catch a lot easier. All right, thanks for watching.